Today is the day. We're gonna pick up 150 pounds of cat food from the food bank. No, and we didn't move back to Ireland. It's still Texas, but it's raining. Well, this isn't actually the food bank. We ordered everything online via their website, and then they pack it all up on one pallet and ship it to a nearby warehouse. It's important that you handle your order yourself as much as possible and don't ask the guys in the warehouse for any type of assistance. They might charge for it. There's a lot of stuff and we really wanted to make sure everything is accounted for. Okay, let's get back home now. And there you have it. All that's left to do is give the stuff a final, thorough inspection by the experts.